Okay, so to implement these character stats into our battle system, first go to this green slime class. We add attack and defense to this class too. So slime's attack is, I'm gonna set 5, and the defense is 0, I think, because player's default attack is 1. So if slime's defense is 1, then player cannot give any damage. And then in this player class, which one? Damage monster. So here in this damage monster method, we type here, I think, int damage equal attack, so player attack minus gp.monster defense. So we subtract the monster's defense value from player's attack and get it as damage. Also, if damage is less than 0, then damage equals 0. So in case the monster's defense is greater than player's attack, we change all the negative values to 0, then subtract the damage from the monster's life. But we also do the opposite. So in this contact monster, so when player touches a monster, I'm gonna copy and paste, but this time, so gp.monster I attack minus player's defense damage. And in entity, when a monster hits player, we do the same. So I think we can copy that one. Like this. We don't need this. So yeah, so when this monster contacted player character, then we're gonna subtract player's wait, okay, this is not monster's defense but the player's defense, so player.defense defense. So we're gonna subtract player's defense from this monster's attack value, and this is player's life, player.life. I guess that's it. So let's check. Okay, so let's receive damage. Yeah. And attack. Okay. So player's current attack is actually, it's not 4, but last time I increased this sword's attack value to 4, I think, so that's why he has 4 attack value, and slime's defense is 0, so player can give 4 damage, and slime's attack is 5, and the player's defense is 1, so player basically received 4 damage, so that's why he received 4 damage, so which means 2 hearts. But of course you can adjust these numbers however you want and find a good balance. And okay, so let me change the sword's attack value. So actually this is 1. Let me check real quick. So now he can give only 1 damage, I think. Yeah. Okay, next we display some battle messages. Go to this UI class. We already displayed on-screen messages before, but this time we display scrolling messages. So kind of like what you see in MMORPGs. We created this message string and the message counter integer a long time ago, but we don't use them anymore. So you can delete them, and instead we create them as array list. So string message or new array list. Array list integer message counter new array list. And we also created this method. Yeah, we can still use this, but I want to change the name of this method from show message to add message. Delete this. So we receive text as a parameter and put it in this message array list. Message dot add text, and also message counter dot add 0. So this means we just added the default value of this message counter, so it starts from 0. This message list and this message counter are kind of a pair, so we can delete this. Let's go to this player class and inside of this damage monster. So not sure this is necessary, but let's add this damage message. When player gives damage to this monster, we call that add message method in the UI class and pass some text. So I'm gonna type something like this, damage. And also when you killed this monster, add some message. Okay, so killed the gp.monster.name, something like this. Oops. So whenever we want to display a message on the screen, we call this add message method and add text to this list. And now we're gonna draw the messages inside of this list. Play state here. So we're gonna add a new method, draw message, not message, and create this method. So probably after this draw player life, public void draw message. Okay, first we set messages x coordinate and also what message y. So message x is okay. I wanna display somewhere around here, like a tile size. And the message y is gp.tile size times 4 or something. And also set font g2.get font, derive font. Okay, I'm gonna use bold text and size is like 32 or something. Now we create for loop, int I equals 0 and I is less than message dot size I plus plus. Okay, and so we scan this message array and display its text one by one. But first we need to check if any text is inside of this message array. So if message get I not equal null, so yeah, without this we'll get a null pointer exception error. So if it's not null, we draw the text. First we set color, I think white, and draw string. So message.get I and message x, message y. Okay. And after drawing the text, we increase the message counter with the same index. So int counter equal message counter dot get I plus 1 and message counter dot set index I, and we set or update this counter value. So yeah, basically this means message counter plus plus, but since this is array list, so you cannot just type like this. It's a bit different, and this means set the counter to the array. We increase the counter number in this index I by 1, and after that we increase message y position, so like plus 50 or something, so we can display the next message. And also we want to make them disappear after a certain amount of time, so we check the current number of this counter. So if message counter dot get I is for example greater than 180, so which means 3 seconds, message, so we remove this message from the list. Also counter remove I. Oops. Yeah, something like this. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's attack the slime. Yeah, like this. Okay, I think. So messages are displayed correctly. I kind of want to add shadow to these messages, so let me do this. So copy and black, and increase this x and y just a little bit, like +2. Let's check. Okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, I think I like this better. So we implemented battle messages, but of course we can use this for other situations as well, like when you pick up an item or something like that. Okay, finally let's handle level up. So go to this green slime class and we add experience to this slime, exp, like so how much you can get when you kill this monster. So I'm gonna set like 2. Then okay, when player killed the monster, he receives experience point, exp plus gp.monster i.exp. And okay, let's add another message like exp, oh, and operator exp like plus exp, so we know how much exp we get. Okay, then we check if player hits the next level when he got this experience, check level up or something, and create this method. Public void check level up. And okay, if exp is equal or greater than player's next level exp, so that means he hits the next level, so we increase his stats. So level plus plus next level exp, so we update this next level exp, so equal next level exp, I don't know, times 2 or something, plus 10 or plus 20 or anything, and max life plus 2. So I choose 2 because 2 means 1 heart in this game, and I haven't prepared half heart image, so I choose 2. And strength plus plus dexterity plus plus, yeah, that's it I think. And we're gonna call this get attack method. Player's strength and dexterity has increased, so we need to recalculate, you know, this player's attack and the defense. Defense equal get defense. And I think it would be nice if we play a sound effect. So I created this short fanfare. So let's add this to the sound package and open this sound file and add this level up sound, level up, and play this. So gp.play se index 8. Also I want to display a level up text, and for this message I want to use that dialog window. So we're gonna change the game state to dialog state, and UI.current dialog. So we're gonna display some text. You are level now line break. You feel stronger or something. And we need to kill several monsters to level up, so I guess I'm gonna add some more monsters. So asset setter, I'm gonna add, okay, I think let me change this like this, int I equals 0, and change this index to I, because I wanna, it's kinda too much pain to type numbers every time you create a new instance. So this way we don't need to type numbers manually. Okay, so I'm gonna add I don't know, 3 more monsters. Something like this. And okay, this event handler, I'm gonna modify this healing pool event a little bit. So when you rest at the water, the monsters respawn, and to do that you just need to call that asset setter dot set monster method. Okay, let's check. Alright, so next level is 5, so player needs 3 slimes, I think. to experience. To experience. One more time. Yeah. You're level 2 now, you feel stronger. So stats increased. And the life. So 4 hearts now. Ouch. Okay, level 3 now. Okay, I think it's too fast maybe. And next level is 20. Maybe it should have been times 3 or something. Oops. Okay, and so let's rest at the water, and then monster should... Yeah. Then monster respawns. Yep. Yeah. Like this. So now player character can increase his level and the monsters respawn when we rest at the water. And in the next video, I think we will implement inventory so we can get more items and change equipment and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching and until next time.